Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, what I'm going to actually handle is how to use a solder. This is actually how the soldering iron looks like. Okay, when you're buying it in African markets, like in Ghana, this is how it looks like. So this is how the soldering iron looks like in a package. Okay, so when you remove it, this is how it looks like. Soldering iron. Okay, how to use a soldering iron. Fix appliques for your dresses, either gown, either dinner wear, any of the dress, either an Ankara dress. It would all depend on you whether you want to apply an applique with it. So I'm trying to get the applique from the lace. Okay, so you can see that there is lace in it. Yes, so I'll be using the soldering iron to cut the appliques from the lace. So stay tuned. So the soldering iron, you would put it on for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how hot you would want it to be. But the more it becomes very hot, the more easy it becomes to work with. Okay, it becomes very easy when working with it if it is extra hot. Okay, the moment it touches the lace, it just melts it, so you can get your applique. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So this is me trying to get the perfect applique for the dress I'm sewing. So this is how you go about it. Okay, one might ask, why would a fashion designer opt in for a soldering iron? Actually, I also thought soldering iron was used by phone repairs before I realized that it was a great tool that one can actually work with, and working with it is super extra easy. You get to save more time. Okay, you get to do so many things in a shorter period. Be extra careful when working with it because the whole of this side, okay, is super hot. If it touches your skin, you're gonna get burnt. Okay, so when you're working with it, you have to also be extra careful so that you don't find yourself in any situation that would be unpleasant for you. Okay, so this is how it goes. I don't know. This is how it looks like after you're done taking the